Okay, I'm going to be very frank with you lah. Right now, right, everybody that tells you that you need to clear all your mid-year exam to go to poly is actually lying to you lah. Or in all honesty, to get to poly, you need to clear your CCA and you need to clear your O level. These are the two things you must clear. I am a living, breathing example, right, of the person that made your cher question all of his or her life decisions. I never did my homework. Honestly, why I never did my homework? Very simple. One day your cher give you homework. By Wednesday, you will need to submit your homework. Then on Friday, when you go for your next lesson, they return you back your homework. I got time to go and look through the homework. I got more final things to do in life ma. Number one, pak tor with my girlfriend. Number two, go kai kai with my friends. When I went poly, I did my prelims. I got 30 points for prelims. That's like failing all the other subjects. But in my head, I know not important. Why? My parents want me to go to JC. I don't want to go JC. I just really want to go poly. Why? I can wear shorts. I can wear t-shirt. I can go class in slipper. Nobody come and kacau me ma. I did engine in poly lah. Only on certain day I wear shoe lah. That one is for safety reason. So to make things very simple, right, we built this quiz engine, right, to prepare not you kids who want to do A level. For you kids that really want to go to poly, you need to clear maths in poly. So specifically, we have designed it in two ways that you can see it for the e-maths. Number one, we have this thing called free mode. Free mode is one quiz a week. So it follows your WA1, WA2, WA3 lah. So as the time gets closer to O level, means the whole bulk of the syllabus will open up to you. And then we have another method, which is basically the paid tier. Your paid tier is basically comes in two functions. One is called learning mode. Learning mode means you really select all the chapters that appear and then you really sit the quiz one by one. Take your own time, own target, you carry on. Find out why you're weak at all these little things. Maybe you're weak in algebra. Maybe you're weak in numbers and percentages. Maybe you're weak in ratio. I myself was weak at ratio. Why? Because I see ratio. 1 plus 2 must equal to something ma. But it doesn't work that way. Ratio is really a proportion of A and a proportion of B is basically a fraction of 1 is to another lah. And then when you pour two tab A run faster than tab B. There's a ratio of why tab A fill up faster than tab B ma. So we designed the learning mode for you to really figure out why everything is there. Then of course test mode. Test mode is basically you treat it like a quiz in your class lah. Within this specific time, you must finish the question. If you don't know also, just tikam. When you tikam, don't be scared. At the end of the day, you can download a PDF and it becomes a set of notes. Then you know why you fail lah. That's the logic ma of basically this whole entire function. From e-maths, we will move towards chemistry. Why? Combined chem. All of you have to sit combined chem today. This is your bridging subject. You flunk combined chem today, you will flunk your science. When you move from combined chem, we will then pre-upload biology. So those of you who want to do all those health science courses in poly, you need your bio component. And then finally, we will include combined physics. So you have your holy trinity, then we will start to inject all the pure subjects inside. Alright? Don't worry, O level, right, is actually a change state in your life. People tell you PSLE you fail is the end of life. No. This is where you can really change who you are going to be in life. Alright? I'm a living, breathing example. Enjoy yourself.